Code in Movies. We're back with part 2 of Hollywood Hackers, and hopefully this time I won't piss all of you guys off in the comments and I'll know what Nmap is this time.
Yeah, so this first one's from Silicon Valley.
Uli, we make the impossible possible. So if I say I need... The fuck is happening?
Oh, shit. Looks like a zip bomb. They must know it's us.
That hard drive is
This is my personal laptop.
You opened a stolen
beta on your
Zip bombs.
Yes, I installed it on my phone. It could fry the entire system. Got the power in the building!
No, Gavin, it's isolated to your user account, so it's just your laptop and your phone. It has no impact on the rest of the network.
You don't know that. Cut the power to the building! Cut the power to the building!
That's that.
Classic. I think it's classic like tech CEO not knowing tech things.
One thing I love about Silicon Valley is most of the stuff that they talk about is actually true. And my wife hates watching stuff with me because I'm always like, that can't happen, that can't happen.
Yeah. So how does the zip bomb work, guys?
It's like a file within a file. When it's expanding, that itself will expand again. So you could take something that's like 1 kilobyte, and then when you unzip it, it could get bigger and bigger and bigger and fill up your entire hard drive. In the UI, it was showing all those windows popping up. I don't know if you could do that with a zip bomb.
No. I think it would just continually consume resources on your computer.
And then just like fill up your hard drive, yeah. All right, this next one's from Die Hard.
Hey, Wes, is Die Hard a Christmas movie?
I don't even know. Never seen it. Die Hard is a car battery where I'm from. Oh, what was that?
Can we just say that, like, a hacker chat in movies it reminds me of like Adium or any of these like IRC or just any of these ways of chatting. Man, we really lost something when we lost Adium style chat.
No tabs, not a tab in sight in these.
Not a
hacker
tab
movies.
in sight. I like that.
It is interesting though, like they should have just used IRC. That's what most hackers back then would have been using anyways.
Analog glitching is one of my most on like digital platforms kills me. It's not gonna the whole monitor. If that's happening, there's a problem with your display, not your app.
He's using a polymorphic engine to mutate the code. Whenever I try to gain access, it changes. It's like solving a Rubik's Cube that's fighting back.
A polymer. Yeah, that's how a lot of encryption works. Is every time you try to access something, the next time it's different. 6-7.
Remember.
I will say this is the most high-tech hex editor I've ever seen, because that's basically what we're looking at here, right? So
Looking at RAM values or what?
Yeah, so like we're seeing hex values, but then like there's this whole grid.
But those letters are not valid hex.
Are they not?
The R? Isn't it just A through F?
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
I love a web UI. They really don't matter at all, but they look so beautiful. It's art.
This next one someone mentioned in the YouTube comments as well. It's from How to Sell Drugs Fast.
Okay,
hold
we got
on,
a
what was
VS
that?
Code.
Markdown? Okay.
He's doing some, yeah, now we're interested. He's doing some markdown in VS Code.
Proper H1 tag to start the document. Good.
It's Vue.js.
It's Vue. Is it? Oh,
Yeah,
that's
Vue, look at
JavaScript. CJ can recognize Vue backwards.
So
That's
he's
nice.
making an e-commerce store to sell drugs. That's amazing.
Look at this. Look at this monstrosity. Spreading process.env into a new object.
Wait. So yeah, he's spreading it and he's destructuring it.
He's destructuring, yeah.
You wouldn't get good type completion unless you
Sure,
had,
yeah.
but you could get all the keys from
You're
it.
right.
And I think like what they're doing here is if those variables don't exist in env, then they might exist in options.
Yeah.
Guys, I got a major problem with this code anyways. He's using any type.
App is type any.
Oh, yeah. Any. Oh.
Yeah.
And look at the linter errors galore.
But there's a lot of stuff going on. So he's doing app.use. I'm guessing this is like Express code over here, but I saw some decorators. So it might be, that looked like it was like Nest.js maybe? Like right here, there's this app post decorator.
I actually like decorators, guys. I'm gonna put
I don't
my
like
neck
decorators.
out there.
In the last video, somebody commented, what, no Swordfish? Swordfish was one of the like original hacker movies in the 90s.
That UI is unbelievable. Like,
It's
I
so
don't think
good.
we
Yeah.
could build that today.
Yeah, I gotta say, whatever this UI is doing, I do feel like there's something really fucking cool about having UI that is so intense for something that's probably so boring.
And hey, Wes, what would we use if we wanted to port scan?
Oh, port scan. Nmap. I know what Nmap is, you guys. Okay?
I just write CSS. I don't know what Nmap
remembering
is.
it.
I'm sorry.
But I would just run Nmap. And the guy who had to build this thing just ran Nmap and he was done port scanning. So he's like, I'm going to spend 3 weeks building this sick UI of cubes rotating.
Yeah. Nmap.
Nmap.
So, I mean, this is super realistic, though. He's literally just running some
A
commands.
bash script, yeah.
Yeah, bash script over SSH. He did a port scan with Nmap. This would tell me that maybe he's SSH'd into the system that has control of the power, but that doesn't make sense because it says he's on his notebook host.
Yeah.
Because he's like setting power to 0. Like that would just set the power. That would just, if anything, turn his laptop off.
See, that's proper hex right there.
Yeah.
Do you see any G's in there?
Yeah.
The other one was a map.
I need to watch some of these movies. These are great. You guys
I'll
watch
give you
movies?
a list, Wes. I'll give you a list of movies to watch.
There's a reflection.
Enhance.
CSI Zoom Enhance.
It's classic. What I hate about this is we're gonna see these now because of AI.
Yeah.
So like AI enhanced images, but it's gonna be wrong. AI
It's
is
all-
going
yeah.
to like infer, and then it's gonna like implicate people of crimes. Oh, this is horrible.
This is exactly what just happened to me. I'm on a Facebook group and somebody had their house broken into and they had very grainy footage. And all these like brain dead people were just uploading it to ChatGPT. And then it was just like making up a license plate number. And everybody
Yeah.
was so happy that
Dude.
they got
Yeah.
the plate number. They're like, you got it. Go to the police. And they're like, you don't have the plate number. It just imagined it because that's what goes there on a photo.
Hey, this one's from Sneakers. I don't think I've seen this either.
Virginia. Yeah, sure, good luck. 900 billion a day goes through there.
Those glasses, holy cow.
Is he blind? They must be like VR
Monitor
goggles
glasses.
or something.
Yeah. I would love glasses that look like that did not make things darker.
Oh, what this encoding issues here or binary shown as ASCII? What do you think?
Must be. Yeah. I think, but the way it's laid out, I think they're gonna say this is encryption and then like gradually show each character or something like that.
See?
Oh,
Maybe he is
he a-
visually impaired.
he-
Yeah.
He's a Braille hacker. This is insane.
Braille hacker, yeah. This is beautiful.
Wow.
Oh.
We need more of that in the world.
I will say this is less realistic in terms of encryption because usually with encryption, you're not going to have the same layout. It's going to be like completely jumbled. In this case, like every word has a corresponding like jumbled letter.
It's every single character's being decrypted one by one. That
Yeah.
also doesn't make sense. Like, how would you
But
know
it
where it
looks cool.
goes?
It does look cool.
Yeah.
Also, this little Braille machine was fascinating.
Oh.
Really cool.
Because it's like, I mean, this probably exists today, but this movie was from '92, so they had something like this back then, where it was like dynamic Braille that could pop up in real time. I'm curious if this was a real product or if like the movie kind of just made this up.
There's a lot of these. There seems to be a whole ton of different interfaces for this type of thing. They are
Braille
super
keyboard.
cool.
Oh, it's called a Braille display. Wow.
Yeah, really neat.
All right, this next one we got from a viewer. They mentioned it's a Malayam movie. They said it's the most realistic hacking scene they've seen. So let's see.
ഇതാണ് ടിക്കറ്റിംഗ് സിസ്റ്റം ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ ബ്രാഞ്ചസ് കൊടുക്കുക ഇവിടെ കംപ്ലൈന്റ് എന്താണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അത് കൊടുക്കുക
Was that PHP?
Yeah, I think it's PHP.
Routersploit.log.
Rocky.txt.
reverse shell.
I want to know what's in Rocky.txt.
It's a common password list and it's built into Kali Linux.
Good pull. I never heard that.
So yeah, PHP reverse shell. I think maybe he got access to the system and he's like putting a file on there that will give him a reverse shell.
I will say this looks like most university UIs I've ever
Yeah,
used. Yeah.
Definitely does.
What, he just uploaded a file and is running it?
Exactly. So he uploaded a PHP file in this random form, and then that triggered the remote shell for him. So that
So
was
what
the
is this, a
hack.
React site?
Man, what else are we missing from India? I bet send us your Indian hacky movies. This is great.
Definitely.
No, that was sick. If you missed episode 1, check that out. We reacted to a whole bunch of other films as well that Wes has never seen. So let us know what UIs or hacker scenes for movies you want us to take a look at next. These things are awesome.